The last workshop that you're doing at City Minds is about overcoming procrastination. And I know that
I noticed you bring that up last.
Yes, yes. I was too lazy to bring it up first.
Indeed.
And I know that you've written quite a few books on this subject. Tell us a little bit about this particular workshop and what the purpose behind it is.
Well, I mean, the purpose is again to help professionals help their clients, and also to help people who have particular problems in procrastination to identify, to understand first of all what's going on, and then to help them address what's going on. So if you define procrastination a certain way, I define it as behaviour that you put off to later at a time when it's in your interest to do it at a particular time. And therefore it's not a question of planned delay. I think a lot of people kind of mix up planned delay and procrastination, but procrastination is actually a delay that is not in the person's interests.
Right.
You know, they are, but they see that what interests me about procrastination is the rationalizations that people make.
So what could some of those rationalise? What could some of those
I don't have enough material to start this task. I'm not in the right mood to start this task. I need the motivation to start this task that only anxiety can bring. I'm not going to do it, because until I'm ready to do it, that kind of thing.
Right.
There's a whole kind of host of
Are there any common sort of procrastination themes?
I think there are three
experience?
themes. There's the main theme, and I think that this theme is often present when the other themes are present, and that is the theme of avoiding discomfort.
Right.
In the moment, so that for example, people often use the term, "Oh, I can't be asked to," and what they often, that's kind of a modern way of saying it's too uncomfortable for
Yeah.
them. So is that the theme of this discomfort avoidance, so to speak, is, I think, present throughout most procrastination behaviour. The other theme is one of avoiding a task that, if you do, would remind you of your own inadequacies.
Right.
So that rather than get reminded of those, that you'll put off at a time until you feel more confident in doing the task. So there's a whole ego threat that the behaviour that is involved with doing something that's in your interest to do is there, and the third theme, which is a sort of like a restoration of autonomy theme, and that is, I'll do it when I choose to do it, not when anybody else chooses to, wants me to do it. So there's that sense of, when somebody is given a deadline particularly, or has a deadline, imposed by, I don't know, the Inland Revenue. It's a sense of these people are encroaching on my autonomy, and I'll show. There's an element of, I'll show you that I'm autonomous. I'll do it when I choose to do it.
But it's a form of rationalisation.
And boy, that is involved in it, but it's also the idea that I must not have my autonomy cut out.
Right.
I must be free. You see.
Okay.
And I hope that what we might be able to do is to play a videotape to the group in which I counsel a patient with procrastination problems that I did for the Albert Ellis Institute, which that sense of autonomy-based procrastination was a major theme, and showing how to work with that.
Out of the three, which one is presented to you more often from a clinical perspective?
Oh, definitely the discomfort.
The discomfort,
yeah.
That's more rife. Okay, all right. And again, this workshop is open to professionals and non-professionals.
Indeed, and we're starting on time.
Yes.
particularly on time for this.
Absolutely.
This
Do you want them to be early there, or this
Well,
on time?
I don't mind as long as they
That
pay their
they
money up
start
front.
it.
You see.
Well, Professor Dryden, thank you very much for giving us the time to do this. Much appreciated.
My pleasure, Andy.